Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to show emoji suggestions on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find additional settings. Now let's tap on languages and input, and let's take a look at the input methods. We have to tap on manage keyboards and pick the keyboard you've got currently set. So in my case it will be Gboard, and here we have to enter the text correction. And as you can see, on the fourth position we've got show emoji suggestions option, which is in my case defaultly turned on, but if you've got to turn it off, if it looks like it, then all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and from now on this option is active, so your device will show you some suggestions whilst typing. Of course you can turn it off the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to activate emoji suggestions in your Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.